Hi everyone. Today is Muhurat Trading Day. So what is Muhurat Trading Day? You want to know? Let us see in this episode. Hi everyone. Welcome to another episode of Stories and Fantas of Life and Finances, where you get to know various aspects of savings, investing, spending, and a whole lot more about how to handle your finances in your daily life. Well, the Muhurat trading is a concept started by traders predominantly in the western part of India, wherein they do the first trade of the year, which starts on the day of Diwali, and they do a small trade to basically start with the financial year. So, when the stock market was initiated, there is a custom of doing a small trade, even a little bit, on this day, so that it can be considered the first trade of the year and it's considered very auspicious, so the year goes well regarding investments. This year, the Muhurat trading starts at 6:15 and ends at 7:15. There will be a pre-opening session from 6 to 6:15 and a post-closing session from 7:15 onwards, maybe till 7:45 or so. Please note that the settlement for the Muhurat trading day will take place along with the settlement for Tuesday. So, if someone is buying some shares today and is selling tomorrow, it will be considered as an intraday trade. Now, how to trade on this Muhurat trade? It's normal like any other trading session, with only difference being that there is only 1 hour of trading and also their volumes will be quite less, as mostly the traders will be wanting to buy only small quantity just to go ahead with the start of the financial year. What should you do on this day? Well, your focus should always be on purchasing the best shares at the correct prices. You should look at the fundamentally good shares which are in the Nifty 50 who are showing a good track record with good profit growth and good margin expansion and invest in only those shares. Please note that one should not go for extremely high price shares wherein you might not get much value above the price at which you buy. So the share should be good and the price should be good as well to give you a long term benefit. What shares would I be looking at? Some names I would be looking at like banking. For example, banks like HDFC Bank and IndusInd Bank who have not performed well in the stock market in spite of giving quite a good result in the previous quarter. Then comes the pharma stocks which have been beaten down quite a lot in the last 6 months and not performed much, a few of which can be looked into as well. The auto stocks are expected to do quite well in future, especially companies like Hero MotoCorp and Maruti along with Tata Motors. These will be in focus for me. IT companies should be as well in focus, most of which have not run much and have a huge potential for growth in the longer term. All these would be in my focus. What you want to buy, you need to do your own research and reach a conclusion what should you buy as per your risk return analysis. You can also invest in the ETF of Nifty 50 wherein you get a basket of 50 stocks so that your risk becomes less and your investment is diversified across 50 stocks. This is a much less riskier proposition than other single company investments. However, the returns are also likely to be less. Other than this, you can also invest in gold, silver, bonds, and a host of investments which can be done for the long term. So remember the time, it's 6:15 to 7:15 pm Indian Standard Time. Hope you have a great Diwali and have a good time investing. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and also consider subscribing to this channel. Also, follow the Telegram channel, the link for which is given in the description box below. In case you want to open a new account, the account opening link for Zerodha is also provided in the description box below. I will see you with another episode in a few days. Till then, have a great time investing. Bye bye.